Hey guys, today we're going to say goodbye to my old router plate insert and hello to the new one. So what I've got here is a 1/4-inch piece of plate aluminum, which I had laser CNC cut at my local machine shop. They charged me $40. I'm not sure if that's a good price or a bad price, but I felt it was okay. I had the image drawn up on CAD, so all they had to do is put it right in their machine and cut it out. If you guys want to also have the exact same layout as mine, I have the CAD file available on my website. Now, what I want to do is I want to do a shoot off between the old and the new, because you can see in the new design I have all these slots around there for more dust collection, as I have a 4-inch dust collection port on the router table itself. So this was really strangling the air. There will be a lot more airflow here, and thusly not as much dust on the table itself at the end of my cut. So let's go ahead and experiment, put the old one back in, then we can put the new one in and see who wins. I'm thinking it's going to be this guy.